Petra here, and it is almost Christmas. Do you hear that sound? Those sound like jingle bells. I have some jingle bells. Do you have jingle bells? If you do, go get them. And you might have a different kind of bell at your house. Maybe you have a bell like this. Maybe you have a bell that sounds like this. Or if you don't have a bell, maybe you have some rhythm sticks that sound like this. And if you don't have rhythm sticks, you might have a shaker egg or any other noise maker or anything that makes sounds, even your hands. Yeah, so I brought my ukulele and we're gonna do jingle bells together. But you have to have really good listening ears. And that's because I'm gonna tell you whether to ring your bell up high or ring it low or over here or over there or like all over. So, we're gonna go like this. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Ring your bell up high, ring your bell down low. Ring your bell real fast, ring your bell real slow. Ring your bell over here, ring your bell over there. Ring your bell up and down and ring it everywhere. Oh, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Ring your bell up high, ring your bell down low. Ring your bell real fast, ring your bell real slow. Ring your bell over here, ring your bell over there. Ring your bell up and down and ring it everywhere. Oh, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. Thanks so much for singing that song with me, and great job on ringing your bell. That was awesome. So I hope you have a really, really Merry Christmas, and I will see you again. If you had fun, make sure and give me a thumbs up and also subscribe. And so I'll see you later. Bye, friends.